Hey everyone, it's Lumar here again, your local realtor here in the greater Seattle area. I am here in Lumar Ridge, which is KB Homes' new construction community up the hill from downtown Kent, Washington. Kent, Washington's in King County for those of you who watch my channel who are from out of state or out of town. And we're going to be checking out a rambler, which is actually heavily sought after for KB Homes. This rambler is pretty popular, being a single-story home in a lot of their communities throughout the King, Pierce, and Snohomish County areas. This one gets nabbed up a lot as one of the options. Let's go take a look at it right now. We're going to start heading to it right now. I was trying to give a little bit of privacy to the workers that are actually working on the house right next door to it right now. All right, let's go check out this model home. I'm outside of the model right now, and I'm going to flip the camera around so I can tell you a little bit more about it, and then we're going to take a walk inside so I can show you the inside of it, of course, and tell you a little bit more about the features. This floor plan is called the 1857, and if any of you have watched any of my other KB Home videos, KB Homes, they name their floor plans after the square footage. So 1857 means that the square footage of this rambler or single-story home is 1,857 square feet. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1.75 bath, 1.25 bath. Anyone that's watching my channel that's not from around here, because I get some out-of-towners that are like, what's a quarter bath? Just here we measure baths in quarters. Basically the sink, the shower, the tub, and the toilet, those all count as individual quarters of what makes a whole bath. What would need to consider a whole bath, by the way, would be a bathroom that has at least one toilet, at least one sink, and then it needs a shower tub combination to be considered a full bathroom. Interesting thing to note is the other floor plan, which is the one that has the really long driveway, they're the same price. Price per square footage is quite a bit more on a single-story home, at least in the Pacific Northwest. It probably works that way nationwide, but definitely over here, price per square footage on single-story homes is king. It costs quite a bit more to build on a single story than it does building up. So that's where that pricing comes in. All right, let's give you a quick look at the outside first before we head on inside. A few quick things to note is the driveway space. You can fit 2 cars in the driveway and 2 in the garage, and then also this option comes with a fully fenced backyard. Okay, let's take a look inside so I can show you this model home. For all my out-of-towners watching this video, I want to give you a quick reminder that Kent, Washington is in South King County. So Kent to the 3 major cities around it, Tacoma, Seattle, and Bellevue. Kent, Washington to Tacoma and vice versa could be anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour depending on traffic time. And then Seattle to Kent can be as quick as another 30 minutes to well over an hour depending on time of day that you're leaving. And finally, Kent to Bellevue can be the quickest. You can get there in about 25 minutes if there's absolutely no traffic and you hit all the green lights. It can go above an hour as well, depending on the time of day that you're leaving. So roughly similar. You'll find the greater Seattle area can range wildly when it comes to where you're trying to get to, and you can get to pretty much everything within an hour as long as it's not a bad time of day that you're leaving. Rush hour tends to be around 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. So the commute can significantly slow down during those times, especially on I-5, I-405, and the Highway 167. Also, if you're interested in this particular floor plan, or you just want to know in general where KB Homes is currently building, there's a ton of different communities around the greater Seattle area. You know, Poulsbo is the furthest away, but there's Marysville, Auburn, Lake Stevens, Puyallup, Covington, Washington, Bonnie Lake, Marysville, Washington, Federal Way, and Duval, to say the least, and they're only growing and expanding in the area. So plenty of areas to check out for KB. Please feel free to reach out to me on the channel so I can give you an idea of where an exact floor plan is that you're looking for and what communities they are offered in. Now we are taking a look at one of the bedrooms. Notice just how much natural light comes through. This is the main bedroom here. And notice how big the bathroom is. So the toilet is separate where you can close the door in there for privacy. Nice, great walk-in closet here, pretty big. And then we've got 2 sinks there, pretty standard. You got a walk-in shower. It's pretty nice size. And then this is a linen closet in here with as well. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, definitely a must for a bathroom when it's water resistant. And the carpet was nice and lush as well, walking on it. So carpet has some good thick padding there. Take a look at the backyard from the window here. These properties get a lot of natural light with the way that they've built and where the windows go. Here's the main living room, again with that fireplace there. Love the open concept design. You've got this nice size patio that is covered. And then of course there's that heat pump that you see there to help with heating and cooling. Seattle area isn't known as to get hot like other parts of the country, but it does. There are some times of the years, and we've had some summers that have gone up to a little past 100 degrees, so it gets hot here. And when it does get hot, people are not prepared for it if they don't have proper cooling in their house. So it's becoming a lot more popular in new construction now. And we did a quick peek of the kitchen. You saw that back there. This has kind of a nice open office area, but that kitchen does come with quartz countertops. You saw the shaker cabinets, soft closed drawers, all the good fixings. And this was a quicker tour because they were about to have a meeting in this model home and I didn't want to disturb them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick reminder again, my name is Morrow. I'm a local realtor here in the greater Seattle area. I've been serving clients, both buyers and sellers, in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties for over 10 years now. And our team works with hundreds of home buyers and sellers every year. We're getting calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you who are looking to buy their next home and move over here to the greater Seattle area. And we absolutely love it. So whether you are looking to make your move over here or buy your next home over in and around the greater Seattle area in the next 9 days or 9 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or again, my personal favorite, schedule a Zoom meeting. All of the information can be found in the description below so I can help you make a smooth move into home ownership. And of course, until next time, I hope to be showing you around town.